Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about showing up is the skill. Talent gets attention. Showing up builds results. Many people wait to feel ready. They wait for confidence. They wait for mood. Progress begins earlier. It begins with presence. Some days feel strong, some days feel empty. Show up on empty days is what creates strength. If you are young, show up daily, even when tired, even when unsure. Do not disappear. One session done consistently beats perfect plans never started. Show up quietly, show up again. Showing up is the skill. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.